with another video. Today I want to do a little known craft, and that is this: boxes and bins for office supplies or anything else. And we're going to be using index cards. You can get index cards from the dollar store or at Walmart or anywhere else. So let's get going. So I have 4x6 index cards. Of course, the dollar store, it'll be pretty much $1. So let's start by doing some folding. Let me get the camera to where you can see it. Okay. Okay, this you see here. So you're going to need to fold it in lengthwise, this way, about 1/4 of an inch or 3/4 of an inch, roughly, and you can just eyeball it. So this is what it looks like here, and do the same for the other side. So you have it like this. Okay, fold them back out and do similarly on the width side. Here it is for that one, and again for that one. Next, you're going to cut slits where approximately where they intersect on the width side. So you'll see that. Here's one. And you're gonna cut it like where you folded that on all 4 sides. And then, oh, another thing, what you can do is do a little design before you do any cutting. I'll just do a simple design for simplicity. I'm not very good at drawing, but you kind of get the point. So now, I'm going to fold up this flap here, both of these flaps, and you're going to put these smaller flaps inside, so they kind of look like a wall. And you're going to use tape, or what you can use is staples. And you're just going to use a little bit of tape, hold it in place, and then just tape it in place, kind of like this here. And do the same for the other one, and then it doesn't matter if it overlaps. And then do the same thing for the other 2 flaps on the other side. And try to line up the sides if possible, but it doesn't have to be perfect. So here's the finished product, and you're gonna do that again for the next one. I already have one pre-made just for and you just, here's the 2 bins, so you just, and one of them is actually a little slightly larger than the other, so just put them in and you got a box, a very small box, and you can actually use it to house a gift card or school supplies. So you're going to need drawing supplies. You're going to need well, scissors and tape or staples again, and just repeat the process. And so try to make it as straight as possible. And then you're going to use the scissors to cut it. And you only need to cut it up to the crease on each side. And if you're going to make a box, try to have one of these bins slightly bigger than the others. Now, if the flap is too high and you want to trim off a little bit, you can just do that. For me, I don't really need to. So and one more thing you're going to need is the contents. You know, what the stuff that you're going to put in the box or the bin. So in fact, you could just put in, if you want, you can just put in some Band-Aids. You just put it in there, and you've got it. Or you can put paper clips, small binder clips, or, like I said, a gift card of some sort. Okay, that's it for my craft video. And if you're going to use as a bin, then you won't need to put the 2 together. What you can do is get some tape or scissors and tape the 2 bins together, or tape however many bins you want together, like this, and they can function as they can function as a DIY storage bin or a storage container. Okay, that's all I have for this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and hope it's useful to you. Let me know in the comments below if you enjoyed it, and give a like, comment, and subscribe. Alright, have a great day. See ya.